Hello, and welcome to WireMock Cloud Academy. Today we'll look at various ways to match XML request bodies. When stubbing API functions that accept XML request bodies, we may want to return different responses based on the XML body that is sent. WireMock Cloud provides two match types to support this case, equal to XML and matches XPath. We will demonstrate these capabilities today. In our first example, we'll take a look at the equal to XML body matcher. As you can see here, we have a post to the thing endpoint, and we've specified an equal to XML body matcher. And here, we'll hardcode the exact body that we want to match. When we use our test requester and send that exact body, we get our match. If I were to make a change to the body, specify an extra element, we'll see we no longer get the match. In our next example, let's take a look at the equal to XML using XML unit placeholders. Again, we have a post to the thing endpoint. We've specified an equal to XML body matcher, but this time in the body, we're making use of the XML unit.ignore statement. We've ensured that enable XML unit placeholders has been checked. We'll come into our test requester and we'll specify a body. Here we can see the 3 element has a bunch of 9s. And when we send that, we get our message OK. In our last example, we'll take a look at the matches XPath body matcher. Again, we're posting to the things endpoint and we're specifying an XML XPath looking for /things/thing with an attribute name of socks and ensuring that it is present in the request body. We'll specify our request body in our request and we'll hit send. Notice again, we get our message OK. In this sense, I can continue to add additional things, such as pants, and we should still be able to match our request. And even if I add true, we're still able to match our request. As you've just seen, WireMock Cloud's XML request body matchers make it easy to ensure the correct response is returned based on the XML body of the request. Try it yourself with a free forever account at wiremock.io.